Hey guys, welcome to another episode about Java security. So as you know, different security providers can provide you with a different approach to security. And Java allows you to select among multiple security providers. And not only that, if you don't have security provider that you need on your machine already installed, you can install it later. And there are actually two ways to add new security provider to your Java. Static and dynamic way. And in this episode we are going to cover static way. So first thing that I'm going to show you, I've created this small Java application using Eclipse. So this is nothing special. I'm just taking list of all of security providers supported by my machine, and then I'm just printing that list to console output. So I'm going to execute this in here, and as you see, this is list of all my supported security providers. And for the sake of simplicity, I've already exported executable Java file, so we don't need Eclipse anymore. Let me show you, I've created this psp.jar, printer of security providers. And now I'm going to execute it with java jar psp.jar, and as you see in here I have a list of all of my security providers printed. So for this episode I'm going to use BoucyCastle security provider as example. So how to get BoucyCastle to this list? First thing that we have to do is to open your browser and navigate to BoucyCastle website. This is their homepage. Find the link where it says latest releases, and download these two files according to Java version that you are using. And I already have that done, so I don't need my Firefox anymore. In here I have that two files. So what is our next step? First I'm going to navigate to place where my Java is installed. So I'm going to click on user, lib. I need JVM. Alright. I'm using Java 8 OpenJDK as my default Java version. Again, JRE, go to lib, and in here we have to deal with two folders, with security and with ext. First go to security, and I'm going to open this in terminal, and I'm going to type sudo nano java security, scroll down. In here you're going to find a list of all of your security providers, and we have to add one more element to this list. So type security provider, 10th in line. Now type address org dot be very careful not to make any mistake, otherwise this is not going to work. So jce dot provider dot BoucyCastle provider. Write this to this file. We can exit now, and I don't need this terminal window anymore. Next step is to go one directory up and go to extension. So now we have to add these two files into this directory. So I'm just going to copy location for the simplicity's sake, and for that I have to use command sudo copy. Yes, I want to copy this file, and I'm going to paste location of my destination directory, and I'm going to name this file. Alright, okay, we have first file. I'm going to copy this command. So another file just don't have this ext part. All right. Let me see, we have both files now. And I'm going to open terminal in this location once again. in order to change mode for these two files. I'm going to change mode to 644 to all files that starts with BC. All right. And finally, we are going to test this. I'm going to call my Java jar once again, psp.jar, and let's see what we are going to get. All right. We have BoucyCastle provider on this list. So guys, that's all for this episode, and in next episode I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic way to include third-party security provider in your Java. So please like, subscribe, and see you in next episode.